So we're handing off the most creative to the Dalmatians right there. And 17 was... Determination motor number 17. Okay, thank you for that. Thank you. Okay, we have our best GCC member entry. Apparently, I have to announce myself. For Blue Squirrel. Thank you to the judges for that. 7 years of helping to run this parade, and I said I should probably put in a float, and apparently it paid off. And for second place, I had nothing part of the judges, and I only paid them a little bit of money. For second place, number 51 for the best chamber member was Hand Melon Farms. Is Hand Melon Farms here? They always do an amazing job for Hand Melon. And we have the best float still back there, right? The best float is number 25 with the Postal Service Elves. And let me just tell you, the Postal Service said, hey, do we have to have a tractor? And we said, yes, you have to have a tractor. And they said, we'll figure it out.
We're not going to deliver your mail because we've been working on the float.
Yeah, so if any of your mail is late, they're very sorry. They'll get it back to you. Don't worry. And in second place for best float, we have number 19, Greenwich Boy Scouts, troop number 127. Oh, we have a Boy Scout member up here. And I believe the last one we have is Best in Show. All right? Best in Show, ladies and gentlemen, for the 2019 Greater Greenwich Chamber of Commerce Tractor Parade is Thomas Organic Dairy, number 21. And we have a representative, which is always great. So again, thank everybody for coming. Thank you for coming up here. Thank you for participating.